Hello, my name is Kathleen Lesson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist and author of the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. We're here at my office in San Diego, and I've received a lot of attention and interest about how you care for chin liposuction. So this is it, the chin liposuction video. So I will be helped by this poster that hangs in my office all the time. When we're talking about the lymphatic massage part of it. So this lymphatic massage is what you'll do in the first days and weeks, and you can continue lymphatic massage on your chin for as long as you want to. So we'll use our hands, and usually the chin liposuction happens in this area. So we'll start from the midline and push the skin out. So we're just pushing the skin until it's not going to move anymore. We're not really sliding against the skin. It's just a motion where we push the skin from the center of the face to the side, from the center of the face to the side. And then we can go in the other direction as well. So we're starting at the center and pushing over to the side. So this is where my friend can come in. So you'll see there's lymph nodes here, under, and then the angle of the jaw, and then there's lymph nodes down the side. So we're going to help those lymph nodes, and we'll do it by massaging over our sternocleidomastoid muscle. So you can feel it. If you turn your head to the side, it comes popping out right here. And then you can kind of feel with your head to the side where that muscle goes, and it goes to the bottom of the ear. So as we're at the angle of the jaw right here, we're going to think of going down that muscle with the massage. So I like to put my hands in opposite ways and then just pulling down gently. And this should feel really good to pull down gently, pull down. And we're just pulling the skin a little bit until it's, but not, you could go like this as well, but the proper lymphatic drainage stroke is just kind of pulling until the skin is taut, and then pulling until the skin is taut, pulling until the skin is taut. Now we can also do the ears. So you put your hands like this, and the earlobe is going to go right here. So the earlobe is right here, and then we're going down, away and back, away and back. So you can really move the ear with this. You can really move the ear around, and this will really help unclog a lot of things. If you ever have any like sinus issues or ear plugging issues or anything like that, this is a good protocol to do as well. But basically, you start with the lymphatic massage of the chin, is we're just pushing out. You can also go down the hole with the flat of all the fingers, and kind of we're pushing back and then down, back and then down, as far as the skin will stretch, and then when it's finished stretching, our stroke is finished. Okay, so that's the lymphatic massage. You can definitely do that, and only that in the first few days, like to 10 days, this should be enough. And then, so that's ideally lymphatic massage is done with dry skin. You don't have to moisturize the skin. If you're going to start doing more regular massage, you'll want to moisturize the skin. I use jojoba oil in the office. You can also use like an almond oil, anything that you use on your face, like a rich cream. So this would be for massaging the area. So you can take a little bit of cream out and warm it in your hands. And then if you're massaging, just like some deeper strokes, like kind of inspecting the area with your fingers. And again, if you're going to do a certain direction, I would do out to the ear and then down. But kind of anywhere underneath that, like trace the underneath part of the jaw like this. Little cat paws, so it's your thumbs. You're kind of hooking on the chin, and then your thumbs can kind of do any kind of massage stroke. We're just getting everything moving around. Just getting everything moving around. And then also you can use some tools in the first week. I like this. It's a vibrating massager. If you turn it, it'll vibrate, and then you can stroke this way. You can stroke this way with your vibrating massager, and then you can stroke down, all the way down the neck, and sternocleidomastoid muscle. If you only had chin liposuction and you did not have a facelift and neck lift, you can do some stretching in the morning. So you can turn your head to the left and then to the right, left and to the right. You can turn your head to the side so the shoulder's not coming up. It's just the head's going back and forth. And then you can go up and then down, look up and look down. You can move the chin, so focus on moving the jaw. You can move the jaw out, out, and back in, out, and back in. You can make kissing motions. So this is helping to drain the face as well. And then you can do like, what did they call it? Bulldogs. So you put your chin out like this, and then you can turn to the side and to the side, and you'll see it's stretching the skin. So it's giving the skin a natural skin stretch to kind of push the lymphatic fluid in the right ways as well. So if you've had, if you have a garment, I would always say the surgeon will usually have you wear a garment for the first couple days and then tell you you can't wear it. You don't have to wear it anymore. I would always go back and ask the surgeon, can I still wear it if I want to? Just make sure at least it's safe to wear. And then I will give people a special piece of foam. So you can, if you have foam already, you can use that. You can also use like the liposuction foam, which is a white foam that you can find on the internet. So I start with a square piece about this big, and then I customize it to the chin. So it's as wide as from the neck to my chin. It's as long, and then it's as wide this way, so it goes underneath this jawbone. And then you could always, even if you felt like it was cutting you off right at the bone, you could put like a little divot here that will help. There it goes. And then that will kind of cushion if the bone here is sticking out, you can put a little divot. And then you'll see I've even like mitered the side here just so it better conforms to the curves of the body. So it's like a half moon shape, and then I take a little bit of edges off the side for here. And then you can take a little divot here if the bone is worrying to you. And then basically you put the foam here, and then you put your garment over it. A lot of people that I've given them the foam, they will say, you know what, if I wear it for a couple hours, then the swelling here completely goes away. And I say, great, if the swelling completely goes away, that means like you're healing very well, and it's only us like fighting with the swelling just gathering here. But as long as we can get it all out, if you compress, that's a very good sign for me. Then we kind of move into something a little bit different. If you start getting chunks here, like protein, so it's more of a putty swelling. It's not just a loose swelling, and you know, it's not just like your skin is full of water. It's more like it's full of something that's a little bit thicker than water. So often it'll be like right here. So I'll have people use a cup. So this is from a facial cupping set. You can get it on Amazon. So how you operate it is you squeeze it, and then if you put it against anything, you get a level of compression. You see how it's compressed here, and then it will compress into whatever you squeeze it on. So you squeeze it, and then you let it take the skin up. You squeeze it, and then you let it take the skin up. So this will really help for if you have any hardness, like if it feels like fibrosis is starting, I would definitely cup. What I want you to do is do it as long as your skin feels comfortable. If your skin starts getting red and it doesn't immediately go back to your natural skin tone, you need to back off on the cupping. But as long as your skin is still healthy, because we don't want you to have a bruise, we don't want you to get a hickey from it. You can even cup and then move it a little bit down, or cup and then move the head up, cup and move the head this way, and you can also do these kind of strokes with your hand to get the skin here, and then as you're moving your head to the right, you're moving your hand down. So see how this goes. And then even you're tilting your head over this direction and moving the arm down. Tilting the head over this direction and moving the arm down. Moving the face this direction and the arm this direction. So these are some things that you can do that's even gentler than the cupping to help reduce the fibrosis. Again, putting this in and re-wearing your compression garment often really helps people. And then doing the self-massage, again, you can do like the little kitten stroke. So the action is the thumbs are massaging, and this is just, we're kind of sitting here with the fingers, but the thumbs are doing most of the work. And just getting your hands and doing a nice massage on the underneath of the chin. And then we can do the lymphatic massage at the end to move the fluid out and then down. And then moving the skin out and then the skin down. And then this can definitely be paired with your lymphatic massage therapist helping you, especially if they have a cupping machine in their office. They can do the cupping while you're in the office as well. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Again, this is the top tool and this foam. If you had to get two things to help, the massage techniques I showed you, the stretching techniques, and if you have any kind of fibrosis or putty swelling, this, and then making yourself a little custom piece of foam. Those are the two things that really help people the most. If you already have some kind of a face massager that's vibrating, then you can definitely, you don't have to buy a new one, but you can definitely use your face massager on your neck at the same point. So I hope this video helped, and have a good day.